13 Passive Income Ideas for 2023, Make Money Online, 2023. 1_rental properties. One of the most popular ways to generate passive income is to own rental properties. You can buy a property and rent it out to tenants, earning a steady stream of income. 2_dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is another great way to earn passive income. Many companies pay out dividends to their shareholders on a regular basis. 3_peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with lenders, allowing investors to earn interest on their money. 4_real estate investment trusts. REITs. REITs allow investors to own a share of real estate properties without the hassle of managing the properties themselves. 5_affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. 6_online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, creating and selling online courses can be a great way to generate passive income. 7_ebooks. Writing and publishing ebooks on topics that you are knowledgeable about can be another way to earn passive income. _YouTube. Creating and monetizing YouTube videos can be a great way to earn passive income, especially if you build a large following. 9_mobile apps. If you have programming skills, creating and selling mobile apps can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. 10_stock photography. If you enjoy taking photos, selling your photos on stock photography sites can be a way to earn passive income. 11_royalties. If you create music, books, or other creative works, you can earn royalties every time your work is used or sold. 12_cryptocurrency staking. Staking cryptocurrency involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network and earning rewards for doing so. 13_car rental. Renting out your car through a service like Turo can be a way to earn passive income if you don't use your car frequently. Thanks for watching. Plaza subscribe now.